In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Monday.com. Whether you're managing a project or organizing a team initiative, importing data efficiently can make a world of difference. Let's dive in and look at how you can seamlessly import your data onto Monday.com, shall we? First things first, go ahead and log into your Monday.com account. Once inside, navigate to the workspace or board where you want this new data to be. If you're starting from scratch and need a clean slate, simply click on plus add and then select new board. This is where you'll be setting up your new workspace. Now that you have a new board ready or have located your existing board, the next step is to choose import data. As you create a new board, Monday.com offers you several options like start from scratch, choose a template, or import data. Select import data to begin the process of bringing in your existing data. Depending on the format of your data, you have a couple of options for importing. If you're working with an Excel or CSV file, you'll select Excel. Upload your file in either a .xlsx or .csv format. Monday.com will then automatically preview your data, giving you a snapshot of how it will appear once imported. For those using Google Sheets, choose Google Sheets as your import method. You'll need to connect your Google account and grant any necessary permissions for this integration to happen. Once connected, select the specific sheet you wish to import into Monday.com. With your file uploaded, the next critical step is to map your columns. Here, you'll match your spreadsheet columns with columns in Monday.com. This process is crucial because it ensures all of your data is correctly aligned and usable in your new board. Monday.com is quite intuitive here and automatically detects common fields like date, status, and people. You can also rename columns or adjust their types, changing something from text to status if needed. If your file has headers, don't forget to check the box labeled My First Row Contains Column Titles to ensure everything lines up properly. Finally, it's time to review and confirm all your settings. After ensuring that all columns are mapped correctly, go ahead and hit Import. Monday.com will then take care of the rest, creating a new board populated with all your items and column data. You'll notice your rows from the spreadsheet have now become items on the board, organizing your data into a functional layout. And there you have it, a straightforward and efficient way to import data into Monday.com. This method should help you keep your data organized and enhance your workflow, making project management a bit less daunting. Stay organized and happy planning.